I accidentally made a video game. Hey, I'm Doug, a digital artist who makes 2D games inside of Unity, and for the past little while, I've been working on a side-scrolling bullet heaven roguelike, where you play as this little wizard goblin guy. Up until this year, I had only made progress on 2 games. The first one I barely made playable, and the second just got bogged down, and eventually I had to give up. Until recently, I hadn't been making any real progress and just poked at small projects. But that was until after I got dropped from a YouTube thumbnail illustration internship. I decided to set aside some time and go to school for a game development degree. It was called IT Simulation and Game Design. In this degree was a class called Intro to Game Development. It was awful. Horrible. Editor Doug here to clarify that it was just that one class that was terrible and not the entire degree. In fact, for the first few weeks, we learned about the history of consoles and the tech that went into them. We made small mock GDDs. This part really wasn't that bad. But then, the worst thing. In a college level class, they had us learning Scratch. You know, the middle school tool for teaching kids how to code. They were teaching that to us grown adults. I have nothing against Scratch. I think it's a fantastic program for what it's meant to do. But please, if I'm in a class, teach me something I can use. If I wanted to learn how to think like a programmer class, I would have gone to one. Okay, let me go ahead and get off my high horse. Back to the story. Our first assignment was something stupid like make a blinking ball in Scratch. I don't know. And I was like, no way! I learned how to do that type of stuff when I was 12 and built an entire game. But Scratch is dumb and I had to do lots of silly stuff. Like see these skull guys? I had to set their health inside the skins. The part of the program meant for animating characters, I used to store the health values. After I had finished the project, I sat back and was like, hey, I can make this a real game engine. So I hopped into Unity, and in not very much time, I had these boxes set up. And that's when I realized it had some potential as my least favorite genre. A roguelike.